Way to get started is quit talking and start doing. That's what Walt Disney says, and so we're going to apply those principles today. So I'm going to literally share 7 tips with you on how to start making time for cleaning. So if you're new here, go ahead and like and subscribe. My name is Amber Swanson, and you're going to continue to see content like this every Sunday. So let's dive right in. Tip number 1 is getting used to putting things away. And I mean right away. This is what I call the 1-second rule. If you want to learn more about that, check out this video or I'll leave it in the description below. Tip number 2 is you want to have easy access to cleaning supplies. This is very important, and it'll help you know if you're running out by consistently keeping an eye on it. Tip number 3 is get rid of stuff that you don't need anymore or you no longer use. Less stuff means less time for cleaning. Tip number 4. Clean a little each day. Get in the habit of cleaning something each day. Just challenge yourself. One thing at a time, one area at a time, and trust me, a little action each day equals big results. Tip number 5 is find little pockets of time that you have to clean and declutter. This is very important. Once you get in the habit of that, it'll help you maintain cleaning your house in no time. Tip number 6 is let go of perfection. Having this mindset that you're going to get all these things done is going to overwhelm you and stress you the hell out. Don't worry about it. Do what you can and find the pockets of time to fill and get that cleaning task done. Tip number 7 is figure out the things that need to be cleaned the most and take action and get to it. The longer you keep it on the back burner, the longer the clutter and the dust and the dirt and grime is going to add on. Get her done, take action, knock it out. You'll be glad that you did. Tip number 8 is do a 15-minute cleanup before bed. You'll wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day. These are the tips that I have to share with you today, and I hope that out of these 8 tips that you are able to find something that will allow you to make time for cleaning. Leave in the comments below on what you do that helps you to make time for cleaning. What do you do? Leave that in the comment below. Let's start the conversation. You might be able to help someone else. In the meantime, check out the next video. You know you want to. Stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.